STIV-2, an intrepid tornado explorer and a 3-axle engineering masterpiece. Weighing 14,000 pounds, it's equipped with bulletproof windows and special hydraulically operated skirts. It's powered by an advanced 409 cubic inch turbo diesel engine and has a top speed of about 100 miles an hour. The fuel tank capacity is 95 gallons. And especially observant viewers may have already remembered the Tornado Alley television project. At the Eurosatory 2014 Military Industry Show had the best off-road performance in its class. It's designed for 6 to 8 people and is equipped with a 300 horsepower diesel engine. Maximum off-road speed is 75 miles per hour and ground clearance is 28 inches. It's capable of overcoming obstacles up to 31.5 inches high, even in reverse, as well as forcing water obstacles up to 5 feet deep. Additionally, the manufacturer emphasizes the high level of protection. The vehicle features the Iron Fist system, designed to protect against anti-tank missiles, rocket-propelled grenades, and armor-piercing sub-caliber shells. The Santa Fe into a zombie survival machine. The project was launched as a tribute to the Walking Dead TV series, and the design was chosen as part of Hyundai's competition for the best anti-zombie machine. Masters have made an excellent job. The car has a large caliber machine gun, 4 automatic rifles, a repeating crossbow, and numerous blades. The body's reinforced and armored. The windows are protected by barbed wire and metal inserts. On the roof, there's a hatch for a machine gunner, and all machine guns are equipped with a homing system. And in case the zombies get too close, a samurai sword is included.